Hi everybody, welcome to Beauty Buzz with Lori. So continuing our theme of getting our skin back into good shape from summertime is we're talking about retinoids. Now I've done videos on this in the past, however I just want to address that this is something great because it's vitamin A derivative, and that is an antioxidant that is great for the nourishment of your skin and anti-aging. But the difference on retinols, tretinoin, just retinoids in general is going to be that after a fun time in the sun, you can use these products when the weather cools off. They're nighttime use only, and they are going to have that constant skin cell turnover, which we want to see for that brightening effect. Remember that some of your anticipated reactions when you're using these products is at first your skin's going to have that stingy redness and a little bit of flaking. So the skin with retinoids tends to actually get a little bit worse before it gets better. Hang in there. You want to be using these products for a couple of months, and if you're using a retinol type product like the Novell by Neocutis, you're actually going to get over that hump after that 6 to 8 week period, and your skin will no longer have those anticipated reactions. You want to be using these products for at least 3 days a week, and that is again in the evening. And then you always want to be wearing sunblock. Also, if you're doing a prescription tretinoin under the care of a physician or esthetician, then they will have you on a treatment plan where they are having you come back in like we do, and we do the pictures. We start with our baseline photos. We have you come back in a month later to see how you're progressing, address any of your concerns or questions, and then we're going to continue with that other course of treatment in order to get a full 8 weeks with this. I really like this product because I see a lot of change. It helps to brighten up the skin. It helps to lighten those age spots or sun damage that you might be experiencing, and then also it's great for acne, so I do use it as a course of treatment for that as well. But you will see the skin literally lighten up to about 2 shades lighter than what it is if you're using it properly. So in a consultation, I will have you listen to what I have to say based on what your concerns are, and from there you'll just get absolutely beautiful results. If you have concerns or questions about tretinoin or retinol, which is best for you, be sure you schedule a consultation. The number is 904-203-8282. Thanks for watching.